Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the two 6-side EPS package machines we've just completed. As our customers' production demand has increased, we added an automatic pusher arm to reduce manual labor and enhance the level of automation. This addition helps improve efficiency and ease of operation. Please check out the video below for more details. Here we go. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.